Hello guys, this is the Map Tutors and in today's video I'll be solving this problem. We know a worker drags a crate across a smooth horizontal floor. The worker exerts a force of magnitude 210 newtons, which is inclined at an upward angle of 20 degrees. We have to determine the work performed by the following forces. Knowing that the crate was moved by 0.5 meters. So let's draw that. Let's draw all of the forces with a diagram. We have the horizontal floor. We got a crate here. There will be a rope attached to it, and there will be a person moving that crate. The worker. So we also know there will be 20 degrees of angle between the floor and the rope. And all the forces we can draw in this diagram are first the gravitational force, well, the weight basically of the crate. We'll have a normal force perpendicular to the surface, normal force. We'll have the force of the worker. So we're not looking for the forces, we're looking for the work. And for that we can use the relationship that says that the work is basically equal to the force times the displacement times the cosine of the angle formed with the axis. In this case, we can put a general angle. So first, to find the work done by the worker, we use the force, which is 210 newtons, times the displacement in that direction, which is 0.5 meters, times the cosine of 20 degrees. And we know, putting that on the calculator, that's equal to approximately 99 joules. Then we'll find the work done by the gravitational force. So it will be the gravitational force times the displacement times the angle. But the angle from the horizontal parting from here is 270 degrees. The cosine of that is 0, and the displacement in the vertical axis is also 0. So this will be equal to 0. By obvious reasons, the work done by the normal force will be also 0, but we can represent it using the cosine and the angle. The displacement will be 0, and the cosine in this case will be 90 degrees. Both are 0, so the work done by the normal force will be 0. The last question is to find the total work performed by all the forces. So that will be equal to the work done by the worker plus the work done by the gravitational force plus the work done by the normal force. And these ones are 0. Because the total work is equal to the sum of all the works. So that will be equal to the work done by the worker. And we know that is equal to 99 joules. And that's all the problem.